Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto. And today, we will be discussing Sovryn, a decentralized Bitcoin trading and lending platform. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next Whale to the Moon coin. I'm excited about this one. Let's get into it. Sovryn is the first fully functional, decentralized exchange for Bitcoin, for those who want to be able to borrow, lend, and trade without giving up their privacy or take on any counterparty risk. Sovryn has grown phenomenally since its inception, and they aim to continue shaping the DeFi decentralized finance market. Sovryn is a game changer for Bitcoin because it took Bitcoin beyond just money, providing Bitcoin native smart contracts to extend the capability of Bitcoin, and in Sovryn's case, all of finance. According to insiders, if they do a good job of building a successful protocol, they can eventually create a single financial operating system for the entire world. This is no big feat, but one which they are certainly on their way to creating. Sovryn doesn't see itself competing with Ethereum-based DeFi, which is just more centralized finance. Instead, they aim to provide an alternative to centralized finance that is global and transparent by the fact that it is secured by the Bitcoin network, with Bitcoin as the native asset. There really is no other platform like Sovryn that works in this particular way. The other differentiation is that Sovryn is seamless. It is vertically integrated, so all features are available within one app. Trading, lending, borrowing, yield farming, which is great for Layer 2. What is Origins? Origins is a launchpad and platform which allows projects to kickstart their communities, raise community funding, and do so in a way in which they can raise Bitcoin natively. It is the launchpad for projects that build upon Bitcoin and Sovryn's ecosystems. The long-term vision for Origins is to provide a way for the Sovryn community to kickstart new projects and grow the ecosystem, while securing the funding to build the future that they believe in. This future includes an entire suite of products, services, and protocols that give access to permissionless finance on Bitcoin and build the operating system for self-sovereignty. All of these projects will be things that are tradable on the Sovryn exchange, become collateral types, allow for lending, borrowing, margin trading, and providing an additional use case for SOV. Why we like Sovryn. It is a good investment opportunity. In the last years, it's been growing faster than anyone has expected. A lot more developers have joined the projects, and the features are now very extensive. Some of these features include Spot Exchange, a low-cost, low-slippage AMM, allowing instant trades between tokens. Margin trading creates up to 5 times long short trades, allowing you to borrow leverage from the lending pool. The lending pool allows holders to earn interest by lending tokens to margin traders and borrowers. Fast BTC Relay allows the use of Bitcoin almost instantly with smart contracts and decentralized products from any Bitcoin wallet. A name like Sovryn says it all. They use a very intuitive interface and protection for Bitcoin on 4 levels. This protection includes audited smart contracts, secure oracles, an insurance fund to protect against uncollateralized loans, and commitment to open source. Watch out for new exchange listings and token launches from Sovryn. To get started, follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Sovryn, a decentralized Bitcoin trading and lending platform. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project in the name of the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Also, to get involved in the project, remember to follow the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.